I'm recording it just in case you need to. I'll give you a copy of this one. So you clicked on workplace and then click on AI.
This one, miss.
Yes, green button. Now it's loading. This one is normal. And then I haven't assigned to you, but can you click on learning map? It's the one on the left side, orange arrow.
Learning of this one, miss.
Mm,
Okay.
yeah, that's the one. Can you click it?
This one, miss.
Yes, new GE study map.
Okay.
Yeah, and then click on open
Okay, miss.
and then yeah, enter. Day one,
Enter.
enter.
Oh,
Yeah.
so this
So
one, miss.
what I need you to do is after finishing these two courses, I need a completed course of sensitive rules. Wait lang. It's an emergency alert. RRMC 10:28 a.m. 14 August 26 orange rainfall. South Metro. Oh my God. Yeah, ayaw magpapigil yung ano. It's an alarm because of the typhoon.
Type.
Yeah, sorry. So as I was saying, give me a screenshot of the sensitive rules kasi 0%. Pagka nag 100% yan, click on your name if it can appear, but your picture is fine if you cannot make your name appear somewhere. Like you can
Okay,
click
miss.
the profile and a name can appear. Then show me a screenshot of the sensitive rules version 3, 100% finished.
Okay, miss.
Ayun,
Right here.
yeah, yeah. What
Okay.
did you click there?
I'll just click my profile picture.
Okay. All right. So
This one.
yeah, with a name, tapos 100%. Most of the time, I'd be needing you to, after you finish day one, day two, day three, you give me the completion screenshot.
Okay, miss. Okay.
Yeah.
So I need to finish day 1 until day 7, miss, no?
Uh, up to day five for me to onboard you.
Okay, day
So
5.
yeah, I hope we can do it quickly, Teacher Effie.
Yes, miss. Okay,
Yeah,
miss.
because we have a deadline
Okay,
to
miss.
onboard teachers.
Okay, miss.
Also, what was I about to say? Some submissions you can submit to me in DingTalk directly if you cannot attach it.
Okay, miss. Okay, miss.
Yeah, and
So do
then hmm,
I have a question, miss. So
yes.
regarding with clicking the picture earlier, you said that I need to click this profile of mine. So do I need to put a status that I already finished or just take a
No, no, I did
screenshot?
not say that. Just follow what I said. Don't
Okay, okay, miss.
assume, do I need to do this or that? Do not assume.
Okay. Okay,
Whatever
miss.
I just said, that's what you need to do. Okay?
Okay, miss. Okay. So I need
Um,
just to take screenshot of everything that I finish, right?
yes. And then
Okay.
actually on the second day, there will be prompts already for you to create your profile. It's going to be a video of you and just send me three names. Maybe the first would be the best name that you want to get. Maybe this name, Effie, and then two more. I'll have it approved so that by the second day, you can create your script, and then you should mention, "Hi, I'm Teacher Effie. I'm a partner English teacher, or I'm a general English teacher at Partner English." So you need to mention your name and then all of your strengths that can help in you gaining students for general English
Okay,
or business
miss.
English. So
Mm-hmm.
union
Okay.
content, I actually have two files. One would be enrollment information, all about information of you for me to create your page, and then yung self intro video mo. So
Okay,
I'll be
miss.
needing the MP4, MP3, and yung profile picture mo, yung parang ganyan, is just a picture. And then please remind me to send you the partner English background before you do any recording.
Okay, miss.
Yeah.
Okay.
All recordings will be done in your VOOV. So once you record and generate, there will be several files. So you can get the MP4, which is the video, MP3, which is the audio.
So after I finish all the training materials, means that's the time that I can record my um self video intro again for promotion of my profile.
Yes, they'll be in the second day, dear.
Okay, second day.
Mm.
Okay, miss.
But you can submit to me the name so I can have that approved because I don't approve the names. I don't have all
Okay.
the list of the teachers.
Okay,
Okay.
miss. Okay.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
miss.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you. Bye bye, miss.